Hey everybody, Toma Johnson here, Boss Chassis Fabrication. We're going over to Lester's shop right now. We got the interior, most of the interior in his car. We got to do a little bit of stuff around the cockpit. It's part of what we'll work on today. We're going to show you a video where my mom and dad's at on their camper that they're pulling their trailer with this year. We'll get that added in right here.
Alright, working on Miles' toter here. 2003 Freightliner with the Cummins Allison automatic, short one, make a good tow rig. Me and Miles been working on the inside. We got it looking real good. Miles working on it now. Got the sofa, love seat. Hey Miles, say hi to your son.
Hi son.
We got the microwave, we got the fridge, sink, got some tools laying around, we're just finishing it up. Bathroom, queen size bed, she's pretty much ready to go. Got the hitch on her, ready for the long haul. Alright. We'll get back with you.
So over here at Lester's, hope you liked the video of the mom and dad's bus they got. Dad said he was trying to make Doug Dodd proud. You know, Doug Dodd always used to have a bus when he raced. That was his major pulling vehicle. So at Lester's, like I said, we got an interior in. It's got his motor in. Late model's coming a long way. Today I'm going to probably work on getting most of the stuff in around the cockpit here, around the back of the seat. So we'll get that done. Car's turning out pretty good. I think he's got an orange spoiler for the back. So, pretty close. Don't know when we'll get the race. Hope everybody's staying safe. What we did is we're laying out the corner on the right side of the driver. We got it notched. I'm gonna roll this, cut it out. Rough cut. Got that rough cut. What we'll do is roll this under 1/4 inch here, and then we'll see if it'll fit in. We're gonna go old school. Roll it. We'll bend it as far as we can with this piece, and then we'll tap it around with a hammer. Get that around that radius. Hopefully it'll fit. If not, we'll make another. Alright, so we got that piece in. Corner. There's what we were rounding off with the hammer. Right there. It's in. Now I gotta do this corner over here. Same thing. Once again, coat pattern. See if this is the right one. That's too big. Okay, maybe a tricks pattern. Yeah. Looks a little better. Still a little big. Back to Coke. We'll do this one and cut it small. Mark our mark there. Over here, we're going to measure from our existing piece 10.5 to the edge. We'll take that overlaid on piece of aluminum, notch that out, cut that piece about 15 inches, 16 inches wide. Our pattern, our two marks. There's 10.5 there. We might leave it a little bit long. From there, there, mark it. And you never have the right tools when you need them, so. Someone asked how I did my pipe notches. We'll do it on this one. Cut it to the center. I always cut small hole first. And then I'll do the final cut. We'll stay right inside the black mark because, like I said, it was a little big. Take a file and just clean it up. We pretty much got that in. I'm gonna wait and see where he wants to cut this off at. Make sure he's got enough room to get in. Got it all closed in, gauge panel in. If you can see. It turned out too bad. Only scratched it a few places. So we're gonna head over to the shop, see what the boys got going on over there today. What the heck? What's going on here, Putter?
Well, decided to put my backup car back together.
What are you going to do with it?
We're going to use it for shady hills, so that way when they beat and bang it, don't tear up our nice ride.
Ah! That thing didn't have anything on it yesterday. What's going on over there? We got
spark plugs out of a 4.5. Yeah.
Spark plugs? Heck, it looks like the whole motor's out.
Spark plugs broke off, and then we're changing the motor in that rendezvous.
Them boys are busy. Oh, Putter got plugs in. Pat's ready. Pat's got his new tires. This quarantine's going to drive us all crazy. Go here and see what they got going on. Yep, they're on it. You guys keep them busy?
Yeah.
You get quarantined here at the shop?
Don't buy a Ford. This is a spark plug broken on a Ford. Don't buy.
Somebody says don't buy a Ford. Wait, I got a Ford.
Yeah. Don't buy a 5.4 Ford.
There's what's going on. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Be safe.